wrong and then slam your brakes on. I don't get it. What a fucking idiot. Oh, what's up, Bella?
6 months ago, he was an international outcast, basically, but next we could see Kim.
Are you being serious? She just like gone into, oh my god, she's gone into the back of someone stuck in traffic. How on earth did you do that? Look what she's driving. Just look what she's driving. That all makes sense now. Look at that. Divvy woman.
Real Madrid was legitimate, and there is no problem with that. But the Spanish Royal Football Federation had no information about it.
Oh dear. Oh dear. I'm not going to take the piss. I'm not going to take the piss. Oh, not bad. Third time. No, you failed that roundabout. You failed. Watch this. Oh, smooth, man. Smooth. No, you're doing it wrong. Smooth, man. Smooth. Right, it took you 3 attempts to pull away. Can you do this on the 3rd attempt? No, you can't. Right, 4th attempt. Attempt number 4. Come on. Yes, not bad. I get far too carried away on these little cars, don't I? I'm sorry. The thing is, right, in my head, I got like, what's going on in my head right now, yeah, is this person is under tuition, yeah? It is being instructed on how to drive, okay? It's being told, well, more to the point, it's not being told that you shouldn't do roundabouts like that. You should do it properly, because that was 4, I don't know. 3 separate roundabouts. It failed, and it wasn't like corrected by whoever's teaching them. So this is why I get stressed, because people aren't being taught how to drive properly. What an idiot. What, he was actually going to use that little bit of slip road and just drive into the grass. How stupid can you get? Millions and millions of pounds from the precious taxpayer go into getting bike lanes, cycle lanes dedicated to these cycling people, yeah? And they still don't use the cycle lane. Grr. How on earth did he end up there anyway? I'm slightly confused. I'm trying to play back in my mind what would have happened for him to get in that position in the first place. That's weird, man. That's a bit weird. What are you doing? Are you able to drive your van or not? Why have they gone straight to that lane for? There's nothing in front of you, you silly twat. Why just go straight to the outside lane? I don't get it. I don't get it at all. It's just fucking weird. Oh dear. Oh dear. That's why. That's why there's a speed limit. No, that wind is just violent. What the fuck? Oh, fucking hell, man. Stop, bro. Stop.